The internet changed every industry in the world. Some jobs died out, others changed, and many new jobs were created as a result. Now experts are saying the same will happen with AI. So instead of being scared of what the future might hold, strike while the iron's hot. The early adopters are always the ones to profit the most. So while AI is still an emerging product, I wanted to share 7 ways to make $1,000 of passive income every single day. Number 1. Automated advertising. Google earned more than $192 billion in ad revenue in 2021, making them the most profitable advertising company in the world. And their secret lies in targeted ads, showing advertisements to people who are most likely to respond to them. If a person is a square hole, Google looks for a square block to feed them. But with AI, we can take this idea one step further and create ads that target each user. If a person is a square hole, we can shape every ad into a perfectly fit square. And this could be your passive income. AI can analyze data such as users' website behavior, their social media activity, and email engagement to determine which leads are most likely to convert. This all gets stored in an algorithm that can make predictions for the best marketing strategies. Chatbots can use that data to create the most optimized advertising content. Then it can track results and adjust them as needed. You charge businesses a subscription fee and let your AI do the rest for you. It's like you have a team of hundreds of marketing experts in the palm of your hands. Number 2. AI teaching services. The one-size-fits-all approach to education has been around for centuries, and it's no secret that it doesn't work for every student. Some learners need more time to grasp concepts, while others might be bored from learning at the same pace as their peers. That's a lot of lost potential on both ends of the spectrum. As we learn more about how people learn, it's becoming increasingly clear that traditional teaching methods are obsolete, which is why AI education is expected to see a boom in these coming years. An AI-based educational content platform would use machine learning algorithms to personalize learning for each individual student. The platform would collect data on their learning styles, preferences, and progress, then use this data to recommend specific learning materials and activities that are most likely to help that student succeed. The catch to this market is that you'd have to start working on it ASAP. South Korea is already planning to implement AI learning in schools by 2025, and other countries will likely follow suit in the coming years. This is an industry that will explode in the next 5 years, meaning the best time to start is right now. Number 3. Investing in AI-related stocks. This one might be a bit of a stretch, since we aren't directly using AI to generate a passive income, but I still feel this is important to mention since it's making passive income by putting your trust in the growing power of this technology. Artificial intelligence has been one of the most significant technological advancements of our time. It's changing the way we work, live, and interact with technology. It's also being used in various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, and more. AI is not just a buzzword anymore. It's changing the world as we know it, and people are coming up with new ideas every day on how to use AI to improve our lives. In case you were wondering what the last technology that had this much impact on the world was, it was the internet, and everyone old enough can't stop talking about how they wish they could have invested in that. This widespread adoption of AI presents an excellent opportunity for investors. We're late enough in the game to see the potential of the product, and early enough to make a meaningful investment. There are big names like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft you could invest in, or startup companies that show a lot of promise. For legal reasons, I'm not a financial expert, but it's pretty clear that this is the direction of the world. Number 4. Chat-based customer support. Everyone, and I mean everyone, hates automated customer service. They always sound scripted, robotic, and fake. Plus, they only have a limited set of options to help you get what you need. And none of that is even talking about the wait times to get a real human on the line. This is why many companies would pay a good price for an AI-based customer support system. Just using AI chatbots and AI text-to-speech programs can ironically make responses that sound less fake and robotic than other automated customer services. These algorithms can engage with existing clients or soon-to-be clients in real time, providing them with personalized recommendations based on their behavior and preferences. The system can also learn to advertise products in an organic way, as well as record data to improve itself in the future. Number 5. Using chatbots for surveys and research. In 2017, data passed oil in terms of value. And based on the importance of AI, this isn't surprising. All AI models need to be trained on massive amounts of data, meaning people who have data, especially in specialized topics, are going to be more valuable in the upcoming years. And coming full circle, AI can help us gather data that we can sell to interested parties. Chatbots can create a survey immediately with a goal in mind. You can set up the surveys online and have another AI analyze the data and possibly find trends that show your data is more valuable than you initially thought. Number 6. chatbot-based virtual events. This one is a bit less intuitive, but there's a lot of money-making potential from being an event organizer of chatbot-based events. These virtual events utilize chatbots to communicate with attendees and provide information, answer questions, and facilitate interactions. They can take many forms, including conferences, webinars, product launches, and more. Attendees register for the virtual event, and then they receive a link to join the event platform. Once attendees join the event platform, they're greeted by a chatbot that guides them and answers any questions they may have. The attendees can interact with others through the chatbot, and they can also attend live sessions, view pre-recorded content, and participate in other activities. As an event organizer, you can monetize these events in a variety of ways, including selling tickets, signing sponsorships, and advertising. Number 7. AI-powered content. AI-powered content creation involves using machine learning algorithms to analyze and generate content automatically. This technology can be used to create articles, podcasts, and even videos. Even if you partially use AI in content creation, you can still expedite the creation process to speed up the process of creating content that can be monetized. But you might be wondering if an AI could replace a human. After all, isn't there a spark, something we would inherently notice missing if the content wasn't completely made by an AI? Well, that brings me to my big reveal. This entire script, including what I'm saying now, was written entirely by an AI chatbot. I'm joking, of course. I just couldn't help myself from the shock value of that statement. No, I'm doing the opposite kind of twist, where none of this script was made with the help of an AI, but the technology still struggles with longer form content, getting repetitive after a few hundred words. Plus, chatbots are trained on the internet, meaning there will always be the possibility of it confidently sharing false information as a fact, which would be detrimental to a video topic like this one. But the fact that we can believe a bold claim like that says a lot about how far AI has come. And if a chatbot could create the base of the script, you can edit it and produce content at a faster rate. The bottom line is that we're only in the infancy of the AI revolution. Technology is only going to improve, and money-making comes from growth. There are only 7 ways to make passive income with AI, but the only real limits are your imagination.